checking the Discord about the notifications of live alert if it pings me or not. Okay, let it be wait, wait and get the notification. So hello everybody, we did it. So today I'm gonna be here for around so this is the Raspberry Pi Pico. I think you already knows. If you guys know, it would be nice. I programmed it, you know in the way that we use this for today's stuffs. So yesterday I did some rich research after we went to. So this is the code which. Mm, right. So this is the program for Bluetooth connection and Bluetooth device making. So I did research and done writing some code here, and this is a place for the testing purpose. And here's our testing web. Actually, I will tell how it actually works. In the meantime, we will go through on some things like, okay. So I'm yet waiting for the update to be happen. Wow. Oh, great! Slave adjourned. Ta-da-da-da-da. So it's automatically pinging me. Oh, very nice. And I'm live now. Content live. So let's write it on. Nice. Actually, we are up. So the thing today would be going to integrating stuffs. So I have the web here, which is running quite a bit to, you know. So this is a sample of the yesterday's. So, okay. So here we have a Python server running on. It's a HTTP server, and it's. I will do it locally today. And I will testing on things how QR code scanning actually works in uh, you know in the screen. So mhm. Okay. Interact and Pomodoro. I was going on, and I forgot to charge my headphone, so I lost count of. I don't know I have charge or not. I believe I don't. You can see the light in here. Okay, I have to connect over it, but I don't have any extra cables for that to charge it up. Hmm. Okay, now timing is going on perfectly. Alright, so I will turn on my computer. Home lab is turning on. I will let bed vent of darkness because my monitor will change automatically when my computer turns off. So let me wait for to get a bit turn on. If somebody is there, let put a comment on chat. We'll chat you. You know, it'd be nice. So I did a little bit of you know some feature on it. So we're getting an error. So let's redefine it. Start scan. Get camera. I think OBS doesn't allow the script to work because it is running right here. Why? Something but blocking the get camera feature. So something breaks my accessing of camera. So now I'll try to start. I can't again. So hello. Something is blocking. Oh, device is in use. Yeah, it's in use in OBS, so it can't able to access. So how can I show you guys a demo though? Really consider things. Mm, mm, mm. Ooh, let me do this way because I didn't cam is the base setting. When we go one, we can get still we get the same thing. So change it to that. So camera is using OBS using my camera. So this web is actually not working. So we will open up the Visual Studio Code and start a server. Hi, Sabanan. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Sabanan. Okay. So it is thing which is I trying to build one application is IoT interface to communicate with that a device. So I am deciding to add a device using some criteria, right? So you know if so website for actually website for you saw this kind of microcontrollers. We can create devices with program some little bit of programming, and we can do create some smart home things like IoT, Internet of Things devices, right? Like my lamp is connected to one of the IoT device, which is smart box, which I programmed and I created it from scratch using ESP32. So that device is actually work based on this way. When we through internet, which I'm trying to do right now, as a home. So here I have a Google application, which is Home. You heard of. So there my lamp is connected. Now I off, it will technically off, and if I on in software, it is communicating to the internet and it will off. So kind of this I will I am replicating it. So not completely the Google Home, because Google Home is a pretty complicated. So this is the interface and stuff and all stuff, like we can toggle and control the device through the interface. So first step why I come here to this page is, the goal here is to when you create this device, if you given to some user to connect to this interface, and also this device need internet connection, right? So what you are trying to do, if I am a programmer, I hard code for this smart box, I hard coded the my Wi-Fi and my local Wi-Fi network password and UID into the device in the firmware code. But I want to make it more dynamic. So in the first place, I am going to, create this thing. Like it will generate one QR code, and when you scan the QR code with this, yeah, I'm trying to implement it. You know, so when you try to, I can't able to access the camera right now because the OBS is accessing my camera. So with the QR code scan, like I generated one QR code like this. So this QR code will scanned by the web itself, and the QR code contains this Bluetooth informations. It has also has a Bluetooth support. So this is a thing. I have a diagram for that. So it's a thing. Device need Wi-Fi credential. That's the first target, right? So for that, it uses Bluetooth. Bluetooth is offline, and don't need any credentials for that. So but that QR code contains the information about the Bluetooth device. Okay, so the name and some UIDs we need. So I implanted the UID into that devices. That device will that then are, if you scanned using your laptop or desktop or your mobile phone, it will connected to via Bluetooth, and there is a two field, right? When it connected, there is a two field. Type your Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password and click send, and device will receive the Wi-Fi credential. Then it will connect it to the internet and start talking to the interface automatically. So this is what I'm trying to do right now. So I want you guys to show the demo. So to do this kind of programming, what are the prerequisites? So giant B. So prerequisites, you need some kind of programming knowledge, like any one languages, and you need to learn fundamental structure. And if you are learning full stack, you need to know the frameworks and how uh, things are working, like how full stack and web working, and how client and server sites are working. You have to need to learn it. So throughout this thing, you guys want to learn and grow more together. If you guys interested in joining a Discord, you guys can join in my Discord server. It is control plus build with Jeromel. A link in description. So invite link is in description. If you wish to join and grow as a community, you can go into the description and click on it, and we will grow. So that's about. You need simple kind of programming knowledge, and that's it. You need a mind to Google search and ask AI to do things, right? So you guys wanted the demo of this simple implementation, I can show by removing things, like I will cut off from the OBS, but you guys can see me in the you know So this is that simple code for that. I wrote two asynchronous function. So not one async, yeah, two asynchronous basically. One for connecting to the Bluetooth device, and another one for basically, uh, send data via Bluetooth from web to the device. So that's the thing which I'm trying to do. Okay, let's integrate it in the real app. So we wanted to create this thing. So we need two functions. So first step is device register, right? So that's the thing we are going to do, I think. Okay, let's create the get. Yeah. So this is the branch which we are going to work on. So the now start to work on the place. So this is my setup file which is up and running. So okay, I am. So if you are talking, if you are asking completely what I'm trying to build, you can go and check out description what I'm complete my motto of building this full application. What are the stacks I'm using? So currently I'm working on a feature of this application. So I'm trying to build an IoT interface, kind of like that. If you heard of IoT devices, like made use of this kind of microcontrollers, which have the capability to connect to the internet. With this application, this web application, we can access it and control it and do a lot of things with it. So that's what we are trying to build here. So the thing is, so today's thing is, you guys can able to view what I'm trying to do by reading this message. Features send Wi-Fi cred to device via web. So this is what we are trying to do right now. So when it basically don't have an internet connection, it can't able to talk to the internet and to our server also. So on that case, we need some kind of local connectivity so that it has a Bluetooth capability. So with the Bluetooth capability, what we can able to do now, the thing is, I little bit I did a work on and kind of create a simple demo to understand how it going to be. We have a QR code like this QR code contains this device Bluetooth informations. When we scan this device, scan the QR code using web. Now I can't able to access my camera because the camera is used to go live stream. So it shows error here, because device is in use. Yeah, obviously it is going on in live. So when we scan it, it gets the Bluetooth information and connect to this device, and then we will share our Wi-Fi, our home network Wi-Fi information, and it will go into it. So I'm planning to do, if I create one device, I can also give it to you, and just give the QR code in that package of the device. You can scan and connect to this Bluetooth via Bluetooth and send the Wi-Fi credential and automatically connected to your Wi-Fi, and you know it will start talking to this web server. I am not yet login, so let's do the login now. So uh, so these are the features all built already, which in the previous live I did these things only. So yeah, now I did a simple dashboard for good looking. Now I am going to move on to this device page, and here I will going to add one a plus symbol, plus icon, where when we click that plus, it will going to implement this same concept which I am implementing here. When we scan QR code, uh, with that, you know so here, after you click that add button, it will move to the scan QR code and entering your Wi-Fi credential. After entering that, device will receive and connected to internet. For now, it is programmed to receive credentials. Hereafter, that when we come to this firmware development part, we will continue doing on it. Okay. I will, obviously I'm expecting for you guys to say this, and I have to do one simple thing. Lock and can't move. You know, yeah. I will going to show the demo. So Kaizen is late. No worry, man. So for that, I have to remove uh, my camera configurations in the OBS. So let it be. We need a demo, right? Yeah, I will be gone right now. So I will check. I can able to access right now. Start scan. Yeah, I'm coming from here right now. Okay, so when I start scan, I need to power on this to be actually working. Wait a second. For now, my mouse was disconnected. I don't have that much of ports to work on. You know, I think, okay. Oh, my webcam is still. I'm coming from the webcam. Okay, no worries. Yeah, man, I'm coming from the web, bro. You can see I disappeared though, but bro is back. Yeah, like, but I am coming from the web, but I don't need web here actually. because webcam is not able to pick up my what I'm saying. It can't able to pick up the QR code because of its focus issue. I need this Irene cam, my mobile phone. Actually, I need this mobile phone camera, but it wouldn't popping up. Come on, still it is a webcam, so I need this mobile phone camera which is connected into the device actually. Wait, I will do it. I think I have to disable the camera, then do start. mm. Okay, what's the problem on my microphone? Wait a sec. What is the problem on my microphone? It fastly it's saying or something else. So this is the code, guys. Code for that simple implementation. Oh, I did change some camera settings here. Here. I It is as it is. So let us go on to settings and disable the camera. Webcam. Okay. Now it will be okay, I think. Okay, I think it's because hmm, could not start video source. Wait, guys. I will. Because I'll pop it up. Check now, guys, how it is and how it is now sounds like. And I think because I'll hold the microphone in above now. It will work on the normal days, right? When we comes to live or presentation, it got bad. I don't know why is that not readable error. Okay, now the device is still it's 0 and still it won't work. Yeah, I am up. So this is a demo, guys. Here we have a QR, right? So I will go and scan the QR right now, and you all can see the information which we got right now. I think, guys, you are there and watching. I don't know, I am blind without the chat also because I'm working on the camera issue. So let me know if you guys are there or not. So see, now it is working, right? Now we get our data through by wait, I will. So now we get our data. So our task to be Now I am connecting my microcontroller to be run on things like this. Wait, so I'm running a microcontroller. So now microcontroller is started and start advertising its Bluetooth connectivity into the air right now. So now what we have to do now, connect that this web application which we are working on using laptop to the device, right? So you can also see we have that paired go away Bluetooth device. Now we click pair, it will pair. If it will success, it shows success message, connected message. Then we get two input box which to enter the credentials. So I'm entering Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password, right? And I'm sending it right now. And you can see by how can we verify the device received the Wi-Fi things or not. It is a software called Thorny, which is have a capability to write a code on micro Python, and have the capability to read and things which is running inside the microcontroller. So by what we enter in that web, we get here, right? You can I hope you all guys can view it. So this is what I did. Yeah, SSID. Oh, but basically in the normal name we call that Wi-Fi name, right? So I just write it as a Wi-Fi name, SSID, whatever that it is. So in at the end we get you know I just code it inside the code like UID, so it would be so much my mistake, because for Bluetooth it is called UUID. You can guys see here UUID. So I thought for Wi-Fi also it would be same. So UID. I call it like UID. I also and I have the remembrance of something like I will come with camera phone. Then only we can guys you know what I am saying. Camera where we can go display capture, video capture. So cam. Yep, we can get that. In Bluetooth it called that, but via Bluetooth we are now you seeing the data first. uh, Wait, I will come through. So I have to apply the filters to be working correctly. Transform. Yeah, guys, I'm back and I forgot to save the setting of the camera. So it would be so. So don't be hesitant. It's nothing actually happening big right now. So Kaizen, I'm first answering your question. So without the mouse, my hand can't able to work. You know. So So if I remove the mouse, man, I don't have extra ports though. Okay, so now you are seeing right now, right? This Raspberry Pi. This Raspberry Pi has a Bluetooth capability. So it in order to in order to connecting this microcontroller to our server, then only we can able to speak to it, right? To server, it need Wi-Fi credentials and internet. So only it calls IoT, Internet of Things. So we actually using our web and our local device like a laptop, mobile to send our Wi-Fi credential into this device to connect to our you know our local Wi-Fi network. So that's what happening here. By typing and send the Wi-Fi credential, we get the Wi-Fi credential inside the device. This is the interface which we can visualize things like when you are using IoT, you can use Arduino software. Like it's one kind of Arduino software, but it's for MicroPython. Okay, so comes to brother, I'm not getting what Vijay Sankar question. So actually we are here building one application which can use this kind of IoT application, which can control, you know which we can able to control a lot of IoT devices via this interface which we are rightly you are looking now. So that's what doing here. So for demo and learning purpose, I just did a thing which is not URL looking. It is functional, but it's not styled yet. So now I am going to apply the same concept in the React app here to send Wi-Fi credentials, to our devices. So let imagine one thing: you are buying one new IoT product. Okay, so it has a QR code in the package. Okay, so let imagine this way, and you are opening it, and you have to tell to that device, in order to connect to internet, you need to connect to the internet, kind of your home network Wi-Fi or your mobile networks. So how can you do that? You are not a programmer. So my lamp here, it is connected to the IoT smart box, but the key here is, it is my Wi-Fi credentials is hard coded into it. So hard coded into it means, you know when I program, I hard coded my Wi-Fi credentials into that ESP32 microcontroller. So if you are a buyer and if you are not a not programmer, or you can't able to do create a firmware, so for that people, they have a QR code and they have an interface like this, like one of web app. And if they open up the camera and scan this QR code, they get the Bluetooth my our application get Bluetooth device data, and it connected to it automatically. And when it does, it asks us users for their Wi-Fi credential. When they enter, it will move it to the device itself, and it will stored. You know, are you guys getting what I'm trying to say? So that's what happening here. You know, uh, the main motto of this application to be act for any user. So that's what I am mainly integrating this. So if you guys are programmer, you can read this, right? It's a Git branch which I created for send Wi-Fi credential to device via web. Okay, for which purpose? To in order to give a IoT devices to capable to connect to the internet. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay. So if you guys understood what it is, or if I need any explanation, please let me know. I'm stuck without your responses. So guys, and if I answered your question or not, did I answer your question? So now I'm going to disconnect my Bluetooth device, and now you can see, I will show, in web also. What I'm trying to do, I'm getting your point. Does every IoT device have QR code to connect internet? No, that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to say. Now our device is disconnected here. Wait, I will respond to your question. And here also you can see, um, our connection will be lost. If you noticed something, here we get some Bluetooth symbol, but now there is no Bluetooth symbol because it disconnected. So that's it. So this thing, this this concept will be going to applied into our application right now. So that's what I'm going to do. So I will, close the unwanted windows because uh, my computer is very laggy. Vijay Shankar, point, does every IoT device have a No, no. Uh, the IoT interface and this application which I'm building right now have this feature. You know, if they, if you order any smart light, if you come across seeing any smart light, smart LED, smart, any appliances, if you use the Philips smart LED, when you connect it to the power, it will, when you open up your application and turn on Bluetooth, it will show it in your Bluetooth, you know Bluetooth, the Philips LED, smart LED. When you connect to it, and if you want to connect to the internet, you need to enter your Wi-Fi applications and stuff and all. It automatically pops out the things. So for now, I have the desire to add a QR codical way, if you guys understood what I'm trying to do. So that's a main motto of things. So now I created, a little bit of dashboard, right? So now I will move on to this point. Here we need one add button. When we click that add button, we will going to show the page with little bit of styling, with these functionalities like scanning and stuff and all. So Vijay Shankar is not completely building things in a one day and one set. I am trying to build it, within 1 month or two. So if you guys, if you love to join in this journey, do subscribe and continue watching. You know. So, and if you want to grow more and communicate with me more, use Discord. I invite link in description. We have a server too. The server is, you know control plus build with Jeromel, and it would be nice if you guys join. So that's it all. That's it. Yeah, stay hydrated, man. It is really important. Staying hydrated is really important. And okay, so I hope you guys got what I'm trying to do here, right? So yeah, right. So, and also Kaizen, I want to tell the thing why I'm not replying and chat back means, chat is pretty fast, but my stream is so delay because of my internet connection. I have only 30 Mbps speed internet connection in my in my home right now. So because of that, I can't able to. If I reduce the delay, I will lose bitrate and lose the quality. If I you know reduce this is stuck, I'm stuck in between. So I will keep it maintain the little delay, and so only I'm replying to the chat verbally. So there's no chat delay now, right? Okay. Oh, okay, so that's why there is a delay, Kaizen. Yeah. So Vijay Shankar, if you are interested to learn, join in our Discord, and it is undergoing in a setup. I think, I hope its setup is completed, and we will post and grow as a community, so I wanted to create some community which is a developer, any engineers are curious to learn and things. Way to control the IoT device. What feature you will be implementing in the future? Yeah. So here I have a lot of feature in it. So I have a SRS document also, and the features means I have a lot of wait. I will show to guys my agile plan. So this is my full sprint. So in future I have a plan to connect, uh, any device can able to connect. If you are developing one IoT device, like you are a programmer and you are creating one IoT device, so I have a plan to create a SDK. If you guys heard of FTK, software development kit, so that software development kit is specifically used to develop a firmware for a device that you are building, which helps you to connect to my interface. So that's my one of the feature. And another one thing is, another lot of things is there, like wait, I often forgot things, and I come and see any feature. If I curious to build and I have a mind to build, I will do. So that's what I'm building. And you know so you can schedule the device, like if I have a smart light here, if I schedule to on it on some period, tomorrow 12 o'clock I need to on this light. So for scheduling, and you know lot of normal. First of all, first I'm going to try to build MVP, minimum viable product. That means base of product, for base of this web product, like basic control, like on and off display and scheduling. Display in the sense, if you are using any sensor, you need live data, like this temperature live data, so we will be showing here. And on and off things and stuff and all. So that's what we are trying to do right now. And in future, with according to our mind, we will be increasing the stuffs. Bro, if I need to develop IoT devices, what skill should I need? You need to know programming, and you need to know how to learn and search things. Then you can do it. When I was building my first project in IoT, it is a project for one of my brother, and I converted the smart, you know converted a old AC to smart AC, which is basically means, it has a old AC, don't have a capability to control using your mobile phone. So I code some firmware into the ESP32 and connected to uh, brother Wi-Fi, and do some soldering works, and did something inside the AC and connected that board into the AC, and it got internet power. And when we turn on AC via mobile phone, it will triggering up. So just need a programming skill. Mostly for the basic IoT things, you just need to know how to search things and copy paste into the code and IDE. So that's the thing, all thing you need. When you go advanced, you need some R&D, and things like bit rate, how bits works, and lot of things, like small electronics things you need to know to interact with that devices using your code. So I was so wondering how these all things is happening. By that only I started to learn, uh, you know uh, how small piece of code can communicate with a small piece of this microcontroller, like kind of stuffs. So I curious and started coding, and it does some magic. I can show you guys a video, but my computer is full up right now. If I open up any application other than thing which is running right now, I just be stuck, and live will be over now. So that's the thing. Okay, I just a piece of code, man. It was a good experience, though. That was my first project which I took. I know programming, and let's start. I thought I just said okay to that brother, and I start doing research and do build, and he gave me some 5 boards. Eventually, I burned 2 boards with my poor codes. My code was get wronged, and two microcontroller were bust out and burned. And eventually he doesn't care about that kind of stuff. So brother bought another 3 boards. Totally we bought 5. I got banned 2, and one we eventually get succeed, and other two we use it for other purposes. Yeah. So if I could, I can show you guys a video, but hmm, wait, I can't able to open up the application which video contain. So I can show how the AC is working. Other than that, how I did is I have a code. That's all things which have the capability to connect to the internet. Uh, did I have a video? Yeah, it is so far back. Ah, I have it.
Hey Google.
So I hope guys you guys can able to hear the audio of this video.
Hey Google.
Yeah, you guys
Turn on
can
the AC.
hear the audio. You can hear that. I'm be silent. If you guys noted the AC turn on pot,
Turn on the AC.
look at here. Look at this part of the AC. You can see we almost moved every part in the AC and solder up things there. So when he said turn on the AC in 3, it will automatically do stuffs. And same way it will off too. So that's a part which we done actually.
Hey Google. Turn off the AC.
Yeah, it will turn off. So that's a simple thing, you know. Yeah. So right now, I didn't even start any simple thing here. So we have to create one component which has add button. Let it make gesture in the corner of the device, like one underscore here. So for that we will go here separator. In theme we have a lot of separator here. Yep, we have a horizontal separator. Above that we need one icon, right? So got it. Where is the plus icon? Yeah, here it is. So we can also use this thing. Copy. Go. Let's go into the front end. I'll be here around here for around 30 minutes. So Vijay Shankar, I hope I answered your question. You know, so this is how I did that project. So okay, I'm going to create one component. In this component, we are going to create one stuff. You know, so device or dot js. Let it be now. For now, it is be like this and import. For now, we need things like for now. Mhm. What is that? Radix. Radix. I hope it is. If I got suddenly Radix at the Radix UA slash React icon. Radix or Radix. That's why I'm not getting React icons. Yeah. So what is the name of the icon? Is plus. I hope I believe. So this is how I have to import it, right? I think. So I need to put a plus. So now we need to use import. So for now we don't need that actually unless it, so and box. If we need that, so flex grid is unless until we don't need, so we need a separator actually. Separator actually. So function, not a device card actually. Device layout. Let me not mean the card. Out. So if you, I hope if you have 5 members are watching, uh, I already informed you guys. If you guys want to grow more, grow as a community together, I would like you guys to join in a Discord community. I have an invite link in below description. Yeah, and subscribe to it and continue watching what I'm doing right now to the end. You know. So wait. I feel so stucky right now. How to use this? So let's go here. Okay, actually I have to create a one route for that. App.jx. So let it be here. Inside app, I'm going to create a new uh, page.js. So here I have to give this function. I hope. Then I have to pass result. Okay, I got it. So rename layout. I'll change that to layout, and in the page, I'm going to import you know device already. So here what we just have to do now. Export and device. Ah, it has to update. Still, it didn't update. Slash device. It's saved, right? Device page. Ah, it's to change. Mhm. Oh, I'm getting error. What is it? Let's go to okay. So I hope there's a no icon named plus. Or we didn't use it. How to use Radix, How to use Radix icon. Uh, yeah. So I have to give icon at the end. Yeah, dude, it is there, man. So let's put uh, icon. So nice. Now let it be. Just go. But React is. I'm feeling like React is slow. I don't know why is that. I just feeling it or everybody. Yeah, accepting React is slow. Ah man, it's like so slow. I'm a guy who worked with PHP. It's like I feel like it's not that but when we get render the UI UX, it's like that's fast. In around less than an half second, it will get load up. Oh, we don't need this background, man. You have to remove it and we have to convert it to transparent. Transparent. Yeah, vanilla is so much faster than React, man. So I feel like I want to go to, you know, I want to convert the separator size 8. But after it rendered, it is so fast. But until that, no, I didn't like it actually. Ooh. So I'm started to tweaking the UA. It's not good. Is it wrong? Ah, this is working. Not the start is not working. No, when we on click, we get something. Why this device management stuff, all things is coming here? You know, it's when we trust AI, it is happening. We don't this, we don't need it. Just add device, and when we go up to pages, we don't need it. Need it. Separator. I need to initialize to. I need to tell that to. Still, these two not gone anywhere. Where it is popping it from? So I don't even save here. Okay, I came here when I. So okay. So far now it is be here. Styling will be David later. It is also harder. You know but actually we can have a more control over a interface. you know uh, we can have a ability to do it in a vanilla itself, like this component stuff, right? So I recently learned a few things. How can we write own component in the vanilla JS and stuff? Just the functions, right? So come to check the separated syntax. Hmm. This mean by my orientation. So there is a no size called 8. Yeah. The 4 is the size which represent the full, meaningful. Okay, got it. New thing. And I have to wind up 9:45 because tomorrow I have to wake up early. 9:34 no. So no worries. Fine, and the things I do. Okay, then. Uh, la 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 la. So I like to do it this way, you know. Uh, no, not a device management. Add add device. Here we will keep just a plus button. How is that looks? I started tweaking myself into the field of, and it gets so late to be loaded up here, man. Why it not updated it? Okay, it will do. So when we click on this add button, we need to pop up the. We will go with modal, or go with some other pages on itself. Yeah, we can go with the page itself. Mm. Ooh, ooh. We will close this because it is consuming a lot of RAM because it's a virtual machines inside the window. I hope I saved things. Yeah, and yeah, it became good, but it is not good as that. Not center, dude. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I expected this. I have to keep this here. You know. Yeah, look nice. I know, bit odd though. So here you have to. Okay, it's been a 9:40. I think we can wind now today, or we will be there for around 6 minutes. You know. Guys, no sir. I already told you, no, no sir. How man? I also decided the same function name for that. So for adding device, I thought to like moving on to the next page. Oh, okay. What do you have to update? But even I need to update like so many times in my PC. kind of getting something that you are trying to say, like kind of update your PC stuff. But I am not trying. I completely understood what you are said right now. Copilot is awesome, man. It's helping a lot. It's reducing the time of we facing. Okay, okay, okay. Arts, yeah, arts need a lot of time and care to, you know, wonder about that. Nice. On click, handle add button. Yep, nice. So when we need to add a route called this thing, right? Well, okay, nice. Like, okay, and here we have to create a add with JSX function. Add. For now, it is be there for testing purposes, like kind of stuffs. But we will be shown here. Device level is already contains that buttons, right? Yep, it contains a lot of buttons, but this add button click. Uh, so we don't need this kind of stuff. Okay. So இப்போதைக்கு இது இருக்கட்டு. For test kind of purposes, if it's actually moving now to that page or not. Yeah, but there is no content here, right? That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, it'd be around 1 or 30 minutes. That's also 9:45. Okay, I have to move on, guys. So bye. Mhm. Okay, see ya everyone. Good night, and I will continue from tomorrow. And I hope I will integrate things like this demo model in like testing feature into the real application we are building right now. So I hope I will do it and tomorrow. So see you everyone. Good night. Okay, bye bye. Good night. Good night. Bye bye.